Well, U.S. crude oil prices plummeted into a negative territory for the first time ever. Those headlines have many people wondering what that means when you fill up your gas tank. And as we've reported, the price at the pump has been falling. Well, Marie Dodds with AAA Oregon joins us live to break it down for us. Good morning, Marie.
Good morning. Thanks for having me this morning.
Yeah, thanks for coming on. So, recap for us the impact the coronavirus outbreak has had on oil and gas prices.
Yeah, well, like you said, we saw oil go down into negative territory. A barrel of oil cost minus $37.63 on Monday. Now, part of this was because of some dynamics that all came together at the same time. But the bottom line is we've seen a huge drop in crude oil prices. They were around $60 a barrel at the start of the year. So what's going on is basically what we learned in Economics 101. We have a huge supply of oil and gasoline and not much demand. So that is putting downward pressure on our pump prices. Our current Oregon average is $1.80 a gallon. This is an average, so you can find it for well below that if you shop around. And our national average and Oregon averages are the lowest they've been in about 4 years. So I would expect that our gas prices will continue to move lower. But in Oregon, the big question is, will we break that $2 mark? Current national average is $1.80. Current Oregon average $2.47. I think in Oregon we might get down to $2.20, $2.10, but I don't know that we'll get down below $2 a gallon. But we still could.
Yeah, no, I heard some report that some gas stations were not in Oregon, but were giving away gasoline because of this. Is that what this means when oil prices go into negative territory because some places have to get rid of that gas?
Yes, that's the big question is, when we have all of this supply, how do you store it? And literally there are places in the country that are running out of room to store the oil and gasoline. But I think this will be a temporary problem. The market is already adjusting. We're even seeing some refineries shut down temporarily because they just don't want to crank out product right now. So, we're living in such crazy times that it takes a while for supply and demand to come in line. And that's certainly what we're seeing with oil and gas right now.
Yeah, now, is there a long-term impact to these falling prices or certain industries that you think will be impacted that we might not expect?
Always there is a negative side, and gas and oil tend to go along with the markets in general. So, for example, oil prices tend to fall when the markets are doing poorly, and vice versa. So, it's a sign of issues elsewhere. So, often when we see falling oil prices, it's because there's concern about the long term outlook for the markets. So, it can impact our 401k. One saying that I've used before is that, when gas prices go down, it's great for consumers, but it also means that there are other things going on that can have a negative impact on things like home values and our 401ks, that sort of thing.
Yeah, it's not necessarily a good thing when we see those cheap gas prices. So when should we expect to see prices jump back up? Will it be, after all of this is over, as far as, and I don't even know when that's going to be, but yeah.
Yeah, I mean, whatever the new normal is,
Hmm.
there will be a floor in this market. So, again, gas prices will bottom out at some point, and the market will adjust to this extremely low demand that we're seeing. So, less product will be produced, and that will kind of make prices even out a little bit. The question at this point is, how low will prices go before they bottom out? And our national average could get down to, $1.50 a gallon. Here in Oregon, we could get close to that $2 a gallon mark. But I think that will probably be where we bottom out with gas prices.
All right, well, good information. Thank you so much for joining us, Marie, with AAA
Thank you.
Oregon. Yeah, thank you.